Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today I want to talk to you about the very latest software update for the LG G5 OLED. Okie dokie, let's first start off then by taking a look at the new software version number, grabbing our remote control, holding down on the settings button for a long press, going down to support and to software update, and we can see that the new software version number is 33.20.67, and that is coming from the previous software version number of 33.20.65. Head on over to LG's website now then, and unfortunately it's some bad news when you get here, because as you can see the system is under maintenance, so even their own website is down for an update. But I did check on the site earlier when it was working properly, and once again it is basically fixing minor bugs in software. So I've been running this update for a little while now, gone through everything, and to be fair I can't find anything negative to report, but I can't find anything positive either. And looking at what other people have been saying online as well, they haven't found anything negative to report either. So it seems that this update is good to go. So once again, a very short video, but at least it's a positive one, sort of. And if you do appreciate these update videos, then please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.